Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to remove the deck on your 2013 Bilt Bronco, and this can be done on a wide variety of models guys and years. So the first thing we'll want to do guys is to lower our deck to the lowest level. The next step guys, we'll need to remove this belt keeper, which is held in by a 13mm bolt, which screws into your frame right here guys. So we need to remove that, and we can then remove our belt keeper. Also guys, the belt keeper attaches to the frame here, so we need to push that out guys, and then the belt keeper comes off like that. The next step guys is to remove this pin from the deck lift rod, where we can get it off the deck guys. Okay guys, so now we get that out, we can remove the other clips. So we can now just push out our rod. We might need to pull the deck a bit forward guys. So here we go. So our next two deck hangers are at the back right and left corners guys of your deck. So we do need to get out these clips as well, and then we can remove the deck guys. So here's the one on the left side guys, so we just go ahead and get those removed. Okay guys, so we got that one out. We can just remove the rod from the hanger and move on to the next side guys. Please remember, so now we got that out guys, we can move to the next side. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I hope this video helps you guys. Okay guys, so now we just gotta push out our rod. And don't forget guys, we still gotta take our belt off the front pulley. Okay guys, so now we'll just remove the belt from the engine pulley. Also guys, we need to remove our deck engage cable. So we just pull that out from the housing here guys. And the spring is connected over here, so we just pull that off guys. Alrighty guys, so now that's out the way, we can go ahead and remove our deck. As I mentioned before guys, please make sure to get your hangers out the way whenever you're pulling out your deck. So that is how you remove your deck from your Bilt Bronco guys, and this is the 2013 model, but as I mentioned before, I'm sure this goes for a wide range of models and years, but please check your service manual for the proper removal and installation of your deck guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. God bless. Thank you. With your deck off guys, now would be a perfect time for you to check your blades, replace, sharpen, whatever you need to do guys, and also check all your other parts, your pulleys, your deck spindles, and just to make sure everything is in good running order guys. Also you can grease your deck spindles while you have the deck off guys. Thanks again for watching. God bless. Have a great day. Thank you.